So today we are researching whether does the MMR vaccine cause autism in children. The type of this question is harm. And the PICO elements of this question are: the population is children between 0 and 18 years of age. The intervention here is the MMR vaccine itself. The comparison group is children of the same age, 0 to 18, who have not taken the vaccine. And the outcome we're looking for is autism. So, the first thing we're going to do is click on mesh. Okay, so we're going to search. So, we search autism. And both of these elements are relevant, so we add to our search builder. We search the MMR vaccine. It's already exploded, so we add to our search builder. And then we take this, the meshes, we go to the PubMed website, we click on clinical queries. Here, we paste our mesh and we filter by etiology. Okay, so we got a number of results. Let's see all the results so that we can filter by age. So let's add the filter by age, child, birth, 18, show. So filtered by by age, and now we got 81 results for our search.